How to build every creation from Lego's Duplo Deluxe Brick Box. Let's build this sandcastle set. To start, let's use this yellow rectangle block, and then another yellow rectangle block. For the wall of the sandcastle, let's use this yellow tall block and place it on the left hand side, and then another on the right hand side. For the archway, let's use this block and join the two posts together. Let's use this block on the left hand side, and then another one on the right hand side to make it symmetrical. For the roof of the sandcastle, let's use this block with the curve on it, and then another one right next to it. Now let's use this yellow square block and place it on top. And to finish, let's use this flag. That's it! Now let's add a bucket. Every sandcastle needs a bucket. And then a spade to go with the bucket. Now we can play with it. Let's build this swing set with the garden bed. Let's start with this green base plate. And then for the garden bed, let's use this block with the two curves on the bottom and place it on the left hand side. To support the swing, we need a post. Let's use this blue tall block. And then another tall blue block on the right hand side. Now we need the swing holder block. Let's place it on the left hand post, and then another one on the right hand post. Now we're ready for our swing. Let's place it on top, and now it should work. To finish off the garden bed, let's use this pink flower, and then a yellow flower next to it. That's it, that's our swing set and garden bed complete. Now the boy is going to have a go on the swing. Let's sit him there and give him a little push. There we go, that looks like so much fun. Let's build this slide with the numbered stairs. Let's start off with the green base plate. And then, what number is this? That's right, it's number 1. We're going to place it at the back left hand corner. And then let's get this blue square block and place it next to the 1. And then another one right next to it. And what number is this? That's right, it's number 2. Let's place it on top so it's offset from number 1 to make that stair shape. And then let's get another pink block and place it next to the 2. And what number is this? That's right, it's number 3. Let's place it on top and we've made a triangle shape or a pyramid. That's our staircase complete. Now we're ready for the slide. Let's place the slide at the end of the stairs. And now there's a good staircase to get up to the slide. And to finish it off, let's use this pink flower right there. Now we can play with our slide. Here we go, up the stairs, 1, 2, 3, and then let's go down the slide. Whee! That's so much fun. We're going to build this doghouse. Let's start off with the green base plate. For the floor of the doghouse, let's use this blue block and place it in the right hand corner. Now we're ready for our door. Let's place it on top of the floor piece. To keep the rain out, we need to add a roof. let's add the roof on top of the door piece. Let's add this blue block to the left hand side. And for a water bowl, let's add this bucket so the dog can have a drink. To finish it off, let's add the yellow flower. That's it, that's our dog house finished. Let's get the dog. Oh, the dog wants a drink. Now he wants to go into his dog house to have a sleep. Good night, dog. Let's build the park seats and this tree. To build the tree, let's start off with this block. And then let's get this brown square block and place it on top. And then another one and place it on top. To make the leaves of the tree, let's use this green piece with the curves on the bottom. To extend the tree, let's use these lighter green blocks. Let's get another one and place it on the right hand side. To finish off the tree, let's use this green piece with the curves on the top. And that's our tree finished. To build the park seats, let's start off with this yellow curved block. And then another one and place it right next to it. For the back of the park seat, let's use this block and place it at the back, joining the two supports together. And to finish off the seat, let's use this blue block. That's it, that's one of our park seats finished. To build the other one, let's start off with this green curved block. And then another one right next to it. Let's use the same block as before for the back of the seat. And to finish it off, let's use this blue piece again. That's it, that's our two park seats finished. Here comes a boy to have a rest on the park seat. Let's sit him there. The dog is walking over by the tree, and the girl's going to come and pat the dog. Let's build this cubby house and tree. Let's start off with this green base piece. To build a fence, let's use this white piece. Let's place it in the back left corner. And then let's get another one and place it next to it on the left hand side. It should look like that. To build the floor of the cubby house, let's use this blue block and place it next to the fence at the back, and then another piece right next to it. Let's add the door piece to the cubby house and place it on top of the blue blocks. For the cubby roof, let's use these blue blocks with the curve on them, and then another one right next to it. The curve helps the rain fall right off the roof, so it keeps the cubby dry. To build the tree, let's start with this brown block and place it in the right hand back corner. And then another one on top. For the leaves of the tree, let's use this green piece with the curves on the bottom. Now let's use this green block on the left hand side. And let's get this red block on the right hand side. Maybe it can be an apple tree. Or it could be a deciduous tree with the leaves changing red in the autumn time. To finish the tree, let's use this green block with the curves on the top. To finish our build, let's place this yellow flower at the front. Here comes the girl to play with her cubby house. Let's open the door. And let's go inside. Thanks for building with me today. That's it for this episode. See you next time.